Hello, my friends. I'm Jacob Policarpio, and today I'm about to show you the basic preparation before installing an operating system. So, let's start. First of all, before we install the operating system, we need to back up our important files to some storage devices or online drive. But today, I'm using my Google Drive. So, let's start. I will open my Google Drive. You can see here. Then after that, I will create a folder. I will name it backup files. Then done. I will open it. Then if you have important files, just upload it here. Just make sure choose properly what the what you needed to back up. Then I open this one. I select this three. You can see it's uploading here and it's done already. That's a simple way of backupping your files in online. You can see here the Google Drive has 15 gig of storage. It's free. It's easy to use. Okay. Then after that, I will teach you backup natin online. In just search bar, then search the backup. As you can see, backup and sync from Google. It will open. Okay, you can see it open. Welcome to backup and sync. Let's start it. I will sign in my Google account. Just read it. Enter my password. After that, just wait a few minutes, seconds. You see, choose folders from your computer to continuously back up to Google Drive. Okay, understand. Just select your folder. What do you want to back up? Like this one. If I selected these three, all of the application and files in my desktop will be uploaded. This is the size of the files in the document part. This one and the pictures folder. If you choose this, you can select next, and if if you start this, that's the one way to back up your files into your drive. Just sync it, then you can run it. Just type the backup. Okay, that's done. If you want to back up in your flash drive, just insert your flash drive. Sorry, then it will read. Okay. I will open my flash drive on this disk. Then I will copy. Let's say this is my important file. Then I will drag it here. It's easy to back up. Okay. Then that's the easy part of back up your files into storage devices, in online drive, and etc. The other way is before you install the operating system, you need to prepare your driver pack solution or drivers that you need to install after you done installing the Windows OS. Okay. First, I will open my flash drive. This is my drive. Then I will put the driver pack solution. But we need to but first we need to see how the storage size in my flash drive is free. Free size is 7.48 gig, and this one is 7.20. Okay, it's okay. I can copy this here. See, it's copying while we are waiting, guys. I will open my driver pack solution. I will show it to you. See, this is the drivers if you want manually selected. See, webcam, video server, etc. Then, if you want the automatic or application, I'm using these two, DIA and SDI. If you want to use these two, you can use it. But I'm I want to say it's easy. This SDI DRB. Okay, I will show it to you. Snappy driver installer. You can see drivers are up to date, which is means all of my driver is up to date. It's already updated and it's completed in my computer. Okay, okay. Next is the I will open the other one, the IA. Okay. After of that, you see this. It's reading your computer. What do you need to install? The driver, something. If you are missing, there's an exclamation point. You need to fix something. It's it. It's easy to use. Okay, don't worry. See, my computer detected, or the driver solution is detected this one and my webcam. If you select this, it's automatically prepared. Okay, just select this, then front task, visual installation, this one, done. That's the easy way to prepare the drivers. Okay, I will close it because it's done for me. Done. So that's the way how you prepare the files before you installing your Windows OS. Okay.